Alright, Jeff, here's a quick video of your 1/43rd scale first response. Oh, I lied. I think it's actually a Greenlight. I think it came from Greenlight. Yep, it's a Greenlight. Same difference since they have first response castings. But anyway, Ohio State. I'm blowing this one up here so far. Ohio State Patrol Motor Vehicle Enforcement, or Motor Carrier, what do they call it? Motor Carrier Enforcement. That you want it for your train set. This is set up for 15 volts AC, or it'll run on DC as well. Just don't exceed the 15 volts. So when you hook this up to your supply, it doesn't matter which one goes where. It can be hooked either direction. You can see it'll run it that way. Flip around and it'll run it this way too. So it really doesn't matter. Like I said, it's why there's a bridge rectifier that I put inside, so you can wire it either direction, so it won't really matter when you hook it up on the AC anyway. So that kind of wipes that whole portion out. Go ahead and put the power back to it here real quick. Yes, for flashing headlights and taillights, or strobe taillights. So you have your strobes and the taillights there, red strobe light bar, and of course flashing taillights. So didn't want to do a huge video unless you've bought these from me before, so you kind of know what you're getting. Don't want to waste a lot of time and other people's time with it. So I appreciate the order, and I'll get these out, the other videos up here, and get these out to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.